Okay, so grade 6 girls, we need to continue with lesson number 3, that is 5.3, chapter 5. Okay, now, before I begin, let us quickly revise what did we do yesterday. Okay, now, what was the first thing I said yesterday? That if it is a fraction given to you like this, if it is given fraction to you like this, what do you do to make it percentage? You need to make the denominator as 100. Are you looking on the screen? Are you looking on screen, girls?
Miss Page, yeah.
Leave about the page. I will discuss with you. Just see on the screen. If I need to make a fraction as percentage, I need to make the denominator as 100. How can you make this 10 as 100? I can multiply with 10. Same number you need to multiply with numerator also. So I get 30 over 100. Now, if you don't multiply this 10 here and you just multiply here, the answer goes wrong. How much percentage? Because over 100 means 30%. This was one kind of question. One kind of question you will say like this, 0.3. How do you make it as a percentage? How will you make this as a percentage? Tell me, anyone?
Percent?
How do you make this as a percentage?
By 10.
Right, khalas, yalla, let us get back to the book. Everyone, please turn to page number 1 minute. Everyone, please turn to page number
Mrs. This is a new one.
283. Turn to page 283. Turn to page 283. Everyone, are you there with the books? Page 283. Page 283. Are you there with your books? Yellow, turn on your camera and show me your books, everyone. Hala?
283.
Yes, show me your books first. I need to ask you your books because sometimes you're not writing. Lamal, Judy Ala, Judy Siraj, Judy Ala, I request you, please be in my class attentive. Amal, show me your book. Tina, show me your book, Tina. Okay.
Page what?
Girls, they don't like to answer me. They don't like to talk to your teacher. 283, page 283. Okay, Tana. Okay, Tana. Judy Siraj, are you there with your book?
Yes, I just showed you.
Khalas, thank you so much. Very good. Maria Muhammad. Feroz. Everyone are there with the books?
Yes.
Yalla, guys. Now, the question I think we need to do from question number 3, right?
Yeah.
Now, I told you when you need to change decimal to percent, we multiply by 100. Remember what you do? You multiply the number, the decimal with 100. So if you multiply with 100, Feroz, please unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
When you have a decimal and you multiply with 100, you need to shift to the right side. Why did I move 2 places to the right, Feroz? Why did I move 2 places to the right?
Because
you multiply with 100 because there are 2 zeros. I move 2 places to the right. And when I move 2 places to the right,
because there's 2 zeros.
And the answer is 71.7%. Any questions?
No, it's just like there's 2 zeros, so I move
2 places to the right, but don't move to the left. Don't move to the left because we are multiplying. We are not dividing. When you divide, you move to the left place. Understood? I move to the right because you're multiplying it. Okay, girls?
Okay.
Now, question for Tina, are you there?
Yes.
Can you say me? What did I say here? Change decimal. This is decimal. If I want to change decimal to percentage, what do? You multiply with? What do you multiply at, Tina? When I need to change decimal to percent, I multiply with?
100.
100, very good, okay. 100 has how many zeros, Tina?
2.
Be loud.
2.
2 zeros. 2 zeros means, where should I move, to the right or to the left?
To the right.
Okay, 2 places. So the point comes here, 2. That's why your answer is 2.0 means 2. Your answer is 2%. What is your answer?
2%.
Okay, it is 2%.
This way. I opened my book and you said page 283. I only have 300. I don't have 2.
Is it wrong page I told you? What is the page number, girls? Girls, what is the page number? It's 283. I am correct.
Yes, because she might have.
I only have 300. I don't have 200.
Tina, you're using the volume too.
Oh, thank you.
Girls, am I correct or there is some mistake?
Yeah. Miss, yes.
Is it correct or there is some mistake? Is it the same page?
You are correct. Yes, Miss, is the same page. Correct.
Yalla, khalas. Did you all finish till here, everyone? Grade 6.
No.
Did you write
No.
this yet?
I'm on the question.
Okay, yalla, do it.
Finished.
Girls, can I go to on your own? Come on, Dana? Dana,
Yes, miss.
what is the rule I told you? Like when you see the decimal point and you want in a percentage, what do?
You times it by 100 or
You
10.
multiply with? You multiply with 100, right?
Yeah, multiply with 100.
When you see
Or 10.
decimal, if you want to convert decimal to percent, you multiply with 100 and then what happens after that? The point shifts to how many places? 2 places. The point shifts 1 and 2. It moves here 1 and it moves 2 places. So you have 1.0 or 1%. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
Okay, girls. Fractions, you can even do this way. You can divide them 13 and 40. If you cannot make this 100, I don't know how to make this 100, so I divided. I put a decimal point, I put a 0. When do you get 14 times 3 is 120? I get 14 again 0. 14 times 2 is 80. I get again 0. 40 times 5 is 200. So my answer is 0.325. But did you get a percentage? This is a decimal. I don't need a decimal. Do I need a decimal? I need decimal and also percentage. Now to decimal to change to percentage, I multiply it with 100. And then it shifts to 2 places and your answer is 32.5%. First step, you divide it. You get the decimal point. Second step, change the decimal to percentage by multiplying it with 100 and you get your answer. Okay?
Okay.
Tala,
Yeah.
what do you think? What do you think?
5.
6 and 5, okay? Because I don't know how to make it 100. I will just divide
6 inside and then 5 out.
I
Then
get
you
5, 1. I get points. I get 0 here. And then 5 times 2, 10.
But from where did you get the 0? From the decimal point?
See here. I will again explain you. This is 6 and this is 5. Okay, this is a smaller number. I get 5 times 1, 5. I don't want to have a remainder 1. I put a point here. This point, I can put how many zeros you like. I put a 0 with this decimal point. 5 times 2, 10. And then I got a 0. I don't want to put further 0 because khalas, remainder is 0. So my answer is 1.2. But this is a decimal. How to make it as a percentage? By multiplying with 100. Yes, when you multiply with 100, it moves 2 places. 1, 2. Oh my God, this is yani nothing. So you get 1.20. Sorry, the decimal shifts to there, and then it will be 120.0 because see, there's nothing here means 0. The decimal shifts here. Your answer
Miss,
is
why did you put 5 in the division? 5 divided by 6. Why not 6 divided by 5?
because the numerator is inside and the denominator is out, always. Like see, 13 over 40. Although it's a small, you don't carry. Like example, this is the dividend. Sorry, this is the divisor and 6 is the dividend. 6 has to be there in and 5 has to be outside. Always the numerator is inside. Okay? Any questions?
No.
Girls,
No.
really aren't able to understand everything what I explained?
Yeah, Miss, it's kind of easy.
Or are you all shy to ask me questions? Tell me the truth.
Miss, I'm telling the truth. It's easy.
Easy.
Okay, خلاص يعني. To change it to fraction, I put 8 and I can see how many numbers are there after the decimal point. 3 numbers. That means 8 over 1,000. But to change it to percentage, you need to multiply with 100. 1, 2. That means 0, 0. No. This 0 is not needed. The answer is 0.8. The previous zeros are not needed. 1 is enough. So your answer is 0.8%. And this 8 over 1,000, if you simplify, you get 125. It's okay even if you don't simplify, girls. Even if you write 8 over 1,000, it's okay. La ilaha illallah.
So we can also do 0.8%.
Yes. 0.8 is 0.8%, because before point, there is no use of writing so many zeros. 1 0 is enough. At the end, it's no use. At the beginning, it's no use. If you have finished, can I go further?
Miss, yes, we finished.
Did everyone finish?
Yes.
Yes. Yallah. Girls, this I'm not going to ask in the exam, but I just like to do it because we have time. They asked that do more students take part in soccer or swimming? Soccer is 1/5. Let us change 1/5 to percentage. Soccer is, this is soccer. You have 1/5. I told you numerator inside and denominator outside. Yes, Dana, you had confusion with it. So I put a point and I put a 0. And you have how many percentage? 0.2%. And this is 0.09. Which one is big? Who take more part, soccer or swimming? Girls, who, like 0.2% and you have 0.09%. Tell me.
0.
No, not
0.2.
This is 0.09. I need to change it to percentage. How will I change it to percentage? 0.09 multiplied by 100.
It equals 90.
9%. So who takes part? Who? 0.9.
9.
But one second, again. 1 minute, girls. I got 0.2, but this I need to change to percentage. How do I change to percentage? 100. So 1 and 2. So I got 20%. So of course, soccer is more. Soccer is more. Just write soccer is more. Soccer is how much? 20%. And write swimming is 9%. Just write this here. I'll write it clearly, girls. Write down. Or just mention same like here and write on soccer. That is enough. Don't write this.
Yes, if we're done, do we leave?
Are we done with the class? I think no, we have more 8 minutes. Go to next page, girls. Don't do things smarter. Go to next page. Go to next page here. Yeah, put a cross mark. We're not doing it. Yeah, put a cross mark and khalas, girls. You all can leave now. Nothing else.
Bye.
Bye-bye, girls.
Miss, now you don't have time to show me the marks?
Who's this? Dana?
Yeah.
Did I say that you did a mistake?
No, because I didn't get a full mark. I got 10.
How do you know that?
You announced the marks at the beginning of the lesson.
That is 10 out of 10. You got full mark, that means.
Miss, did I get 10 out of 10 or like 9 out of
I
10?
give you plus 1 extra because there was some mistake, I told you, right? So even your answer has to be correct, Dana. 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me check. Dana, no. Dana, you did a mistake of the fill in the blank. When you compare one number to another by division, it's not a rate. It's not rates. You check this question in your vocabulary builder, okay?
Okay.
That's it. Take care and have a great day.